Yo, what's happening? Back, man. Back with another one of them things. Out here in the garage with old Dusty. No, that picture out all bad, but it's all good though. Hey, look. Just out here pedaling around and just out here pedaling around, man. Y'all know I be watching old Brian Ike, man. So I see he had his trans cooler mounted underneath the car, which is something that I wanted to do anyway, because I feel like my transmission cooler, I feel like it was, I don't know, I feel like my fan was drawing air from it, but it's drawing air from it, pushing it right back inside the bumper, man. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like the air probably was going back in there. I don't know. That's just, I guess that's just me. I don't know. But I see on the bottom where I can mount it. This is actually the first time I actually went under there to see if I can mount it somewhere or not. And I looked under there and I seen I got adequate enough space to do it. I might have to modify it a little bit. I might have to make some new holes on it or whatever. You know what I'm saying? On the actual bracket, on the actual trans cooler bracket here. I can take these away though, these rods that I made, and yeah, do that. Other than that, man, I'm so ready to take this motor out this car, man. Like, y'all don't even understand. Take this motor out and like redo everything that I said I was gonna redo. That is gonna really put me ahead of the game. I feel like get my engine moved forward a little bit, get everything set to where it need to be. I already figured out what I'm gonna do about that jug. That's gone. It's finna be fun, man. Like this is finna be. It's finna be really nice. What I'm about to do. I'm probably gonna take this off and we're go ahead and run me a tube over here. I guess, I don't know. I'm gonna see how that works. I'm gonna see how that works. When, you know, I bring everything back out or whatever. I'm gonna have to probably get a new filter though, cause that one real dirty, and I don't want to suck none of that back in there. So probably get a new filter. I seen my dog Slim, man, out there in Ohio. He was talking about something about plastic pulleys. So I might I only have one though, but I'm gonna see, because like I said, I gotta get another AC bracket anyway. So I'm gonna see what they send me when they send that bracket. Yeah, man, it's just so much that I want to do right now. Well, I ain't gonna say that I want to do, that I'm about to do right now, because it's time, man. It's time to get outside. Time to get outside. So, that being said, boy, I just got from under the car and I seen that there is it's a leak down there. It ain't even on the ground though. So it was wet around my steering box though, so I might have to end up changing that. I got some hoses and stuff. This hose right here, I might have to shorten that one. You know, just little simple stuff really, but really I'm just trying to clean up my engine bay, which it really ain't that bad. Clean up my engine bay and get everything up to specs so that we can enjoy MayRose again, man. But it's about that time though. It's about that time to go ahead and enjoy MayRose. I'm about to upgrade my grounds. I'm finna upgrade everything. Battery going in the trunk, like I told y'all before. I don't know if I can change my power steering pump. I don't know. Probably don't need to. I don't think I really need to, cause I don't know. But yeah, I'm just ready to get back in the swing of things, man. I came out here and started cleaning up in the garage. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to make me some room for when I actually start doing stuff, man. I really want to start taking stuff off this motor, but I don't want to, because I know the longer it takes for you to start on stuff, then you start losing stuff. Hold on, y'all, my battery low. Hold on. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big B-Lo, Mr. Animal himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man. And yeah, enjoy those. Enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Yeah, like I was saying, man, you know what I'm saying? The longer you take to start on stuff, man, the more you be losing stuff. You forget where you put it, all that. Nah, I'm gonna go down to the shop and take the car down to the shop, take everything apart, pull the motor, do my cam, put my heads on, put everything back together. That's how I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna, do the cam, put my heads on, do my converter, put the transmission in, all that good stuff right there. Bring it back so that I can get it tuned. Do it all at once, man, because I don't wanna be losing parts here, doing this, doing that, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. I mean, and actually there's a muffler shop right down by the shop, so I may get, because I know I gotta get some more mufflers. Well, I don't have to get some more mufflers, but I want some more mufflers. So I'm gonna do that. I may run, I was thinking about, I was thinking about running my whole exhaust system different. I don't think I'm gonna do it, but I was really thinking about it. I really was. I was thinking about running them just a little further out the back, go ahead and dump them over the axles, but I think dump right here at the axle, I think that's gonna be good. It's gonna be real loud though. I'm gonna tell you now, it's gonna be really, really loud with what I'm trying to do. It's gonna be loud. And it's okay, it's okay. I've been tamed long enough. Damn, this battery low too. Like I said, I'm taking the cutouts off. I don't know. If I don't sell these, I might keep them and put them on the box. But I don't know if I'm going 3 inches on the box. I might go 2.5 on the box, because the box ain't gonna really be. But I don't know. I don't know yet. So once I figure out what I'm gonna do with that, you know what I'm saying? What else? My interior. Hey, I just saw my dog interior, man. My dog got a cutters. I just saw his interior. God did his interior, man. Ooh wee. I ain't gonna lie. That boy showed out on his interior, so And I think me and what I do with that thing? Oh, that's right there. Man, Ash been talking, man, about this interior. I'm gonna have to go and change it up, man, with the scheme that I'm coming. I gotta change it up. I'm trying to see if I want to get in here and wrap, you know what I'm saying, like my pieces right here. Do I want to do that? Or do I want to down? I personally think wrapping them would be better. But I don't know. But if I take it to the interior guy, man, like he ain't gonna get nothing but the he ain't gonna get nothing but the seats or whatever. And I'm kind of thinking like, I don't know. I think if y'all see it, y'all gonna like it though. I'm kind of on the fence about it because I'm feeling like it's gonna be too much. But hey, yeah, I don't know. But it's gonna definitely be it's gonna yeah, it's gonna be nice. I feel like it's gonna be nice. At the same time, I feel like it's gonna be too much. I'm kind of scared that it's gonna be too much, but at this point, it really ain't no turning back. You know what I mean? So it's like, well, I can't say that I'm turning back because I ain't started yet, but my mind frequency is like, yeah, do that. So, yeah. We finna go in. We finna go in 2024, man. We finna go in. I'm talking about. We finna add these details. We finna do all this stuff, man. This right here was good. This right here was good, and it's still good. You know what I'm saying? Like it's still, it done held up. It's still, you know what I'm saying? That's why it still ain't no sagging, ain't no nothing. You know what I'm saying? Everything tight. You gotta take it out of here though. Shit, I ain't gonna lie. I was really thinking about putting I thought about putting a panoramic in here, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna leave this car alone. I'm not doing it. We're gonna leave it alone. So, yeah, until something happens otherwise, we're gonna leave this car alone. We're not doing nothing to it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna fix. We're gonna upgrade what we already have. We're not gonna, you know what I'm saying, go into a whole reconstruction process on this car. Like we're not doing that. What else? Man, I was looking at a now I was looking at a Rolls Royce. And I was looking at some stuff in the Rolls Royce and I was like, I can man, implement that in MayRose. So y'all might see some pieces in here that y'all ain't never seen before in a bubble Chevy. I be doing my research, I be looking at stuff. I wish I had another piece that I could clamp that and make that stay in there like that, but I'll figure something out. I'm gonna figure something out with that. Yep. But yeah, man. I had to come in here and tap in. I had to tap in with y'all one time. Simply because I had something on my mind. So I said, man, let me tap in with the people, man. Let me tap in with the nation. And let them know, man, that I ain't forgot about them. We finna get it on. As soon as I touch this car, man, y'all gonna know. As soon as I touch it again. Got a few things that I need to do. You know what I'm saying? Grown main wise. A few more things I gotta do grown main wise before I can actually be like, alright, let me full fledged get to mess with MayRose. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, this gonna be a thumbnail too. Let me see. Yeah. MayRose is officially a barn find. Look how that does. Let me see. put it like this. She officially, wait, go this way. MayRose is officially a barn fan. Oh boy. That's crazy. But yeah, man, I just wanted to get in here and holler at y'all about that. You know what I'm saying? It's about to be, like I said, I went down to the shop the other day. That was very motivational for me. So, yeah, we finna have this right. Finna have this right, I ain't lying. But, yeah, that being said, man, it's your dog, man. Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't a Man himself. Can't wait to, man, put my hands on this car so y'all can be satisfied and all that. It's gonna be satisfying to everybody. Yeah, so, yeah, catch y'all in the next one.